Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a trusted connection on Roblox mobile quickly and easily. Before we start, there's one important thing to keep in mind. This feature is only available for users who are 13 years old and above. If your account is below that age, there's a chance this method won't work. So first, decide who you want to add as a trusted connection. This should be someone already in your connections or someone you know. So for this tutorial, we'll use an example account. And if the person is already added, you can remove them first. So don't worry. This is just to restart the process cleanly. So you need to go to their profile, then tap on remove connection. Next, we'll use a QR code to add them again. So on the other person's account, open their profile, find their QR code, tap share profile, or send the QR image. Now, what you need to do is to go back to your account, open your profile, go to the QR code section, or you can tap on Add Friends at the top right here. Tap Add from QR code. So it should look like this. Then scan the QR code you received. Once scanned, tap Add Connection. Then a request will be sent to the other person, and on their side, they just need to accept the request. And that's basically it. You've successfully added a trusted connection on Roblox Mobile. Just remember, both users should meet the age requirement and use the QR code method for best results. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.